Water is life. It's in our homes. It's in our hearts. Water is in us. But we have changed our water, contained it, and now our drinking water is not the same. But imagine water as nature intended, pure, alive, and revitalizing. At Ionza, we transform your tap water into a wellness elixir, removing harmful contaminants and enriching it with antioxidants and essential minerals. We bring water back to life. With over 15 years of serving your water needs and a good range of products, experience the difference. Feel balance restored. Feel alive. Let Ionza be your oasis of tranquility. In every sip, discover a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you.